All right, we're going to switch gears here, Soul Tribe. And if you're new, welcome, new soul. Let's talk about karmic family and karmic friends. No glitter, no love, light, angel, fucking card bullshit. The mechanics of what it actually really means. Karmic connections are not here to braid your hair and validate your delusions. They're here to drag every unhealed pattern you've been pretending you transcended right back to your face. Think spiritual sandpaper, not comfy, but very effective. Here are the mechanics in plain language. A karmic dynamic is basically a contract between your unhealed parts and their unhealed parts. Your wound recognizes their wound and it calls it home. Nervous systems link up, childhood patterns hit replay, and suddenly you're not reacting as your present self, you're reacting as the version of you who never got what they needed. That's why it feels intense, magnetic, and familiar, and also low-key fucking nauseating. It's a loop, not a love story. Family first. Karmic family dynamics are the original training program. These are the people who taught you how to shrink, perform, and overfunction, apologize for existing, or play therapist as a child. Not because they're comic book villains, but because they're running the same outdated code they never questioned, and then they hand you the script like, here, keep this going, hard pass. You don't owe loyalty to dysfunction just because you share DNA. If the only way to belong is to dim, comfort, or abandon yourself, that's not family, that's a subscription service to self-betrayal. Cancel it, no coupon code required. Now, let's talk about karmic friends. Karmic friends are basically your family patterns in cuter outfits. They show up with shared wounds, matching trauma jokes, and that, oh my God, we're the same person vibe. Then the plot twist hits. You wake up, they don't. Suddenly your growth is attitude, your boundaries are ego, and their favorite hobby becomes misunderstanding you on fucking purpose. Karmic friends don't hate you. They hate the version of themselves your evolution exposes. You stopped playing small. They wanted the old you with free emotional labor and zero self-respect. Sorry, that store is fucking closed. Try again, never. But here's the blunt truth. Karmic dynamics are not romantic lessons from the universe, wrapped in fucking fairy dust. They're alarms. They show you where you abandon yourself, what you tolerate out of habit, who you become when you're starving for love, and where your standards were on vacation. The lesson isn't to fix them. It's to finally stop auditioning for rooms that require you to die a little to stay. And no, you're not cold or heartless for outgrowing people. You just stopped confusing familiarity with safety. Growth costs connections that only survived your silence. So if you're losing karmic family, karmic friends right now, congratulations, that's not failure. That's spiritual spring cleaning. Trash goes out. You don't chase the fucking truck when it gets taken out, do you? You let it go. If you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons. Show some love. And I'm pretty sure, by now, the black sheep, the generational curse breakers, the chosen, the star seeds, all know that you were dropped into fucking karmic families. And you pretty much are the only one that's fucking awake, because nobody in your life is. Everybody else around you in your immediate vicinity is a fucking NPC. Just saying. I'm pretty sure it's not just me, because I've been watching the trend of people on videos 444 on that timer talking about, they're the only ones awake. So I believe that we're all in our own like world or bubble, they do say there's a fucking multiverse, right? A bunch of different fucking timelines out there, different versions of you out there. So if we're running on that motherfucking theory, 505, when I look down, I've been seeing that a lot too. 515, 5 change, but you know. Huh. I have one more part to this one, so come back for the next part. But I feel like a download's coming in. Interesting.